I promised Wendy I would take her to the island of Sal and to Santa Maria. It's the place to be in Cabo Verde. It's kind of like their South Beach or St Tropez. And it's not far from where we anchored.
Taking the chance, stuck in my head, not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your head.
Well, after a short but fun stay in Palmera, quick visit to Espargos, Laura, Wendy getting her nails done, we're off to Santa Maria. It's about a 2-hour trip. It's only about 10 miles, so we should be there soon. Nice day, calm conditions, downwind, 12, 14 knots of wind. It's good. Just got the Genoa up. It's not worth it. It's all downwind. Not worth hoisting the mainsail.
This is Wendy's cure for seasickness. She downs a few pills and sleeps. It's been working so far, and this is a good test. Wind is at our back, which means a rolling swell. It's not the most pleasant, but hey, I hear no complaints.
Taking the lead, feeling your heat. Just wanna give you my best. I don't even know your name, but you got me.
At one point, the winds die down and change directions, so continue by motor and catch the sights. What you see is the big attraction here on Sal, this golden sand beach, and it's been developed. And this development is what attracts Cape Verdeans. More opportunities. It reminds me of Europe, hence why I'm not such a big fan. But I am a fan of Wendy and looking forward to her reactions.
Give it all to me, yeah, yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, yeah. Show my love for you, show my love for you. Yeah. Show my love for you, show my love for you.
Touch me. It's crazy.
Okay, the spot is beautiful. You can see why the tourists love it, and the charter boats too. But it moves here, not so well protected or swell protected. But hey, look around. Wendy was still down, but we made our way to that pier far away there to land our dinghy.
It's crazy how you've lost it.
The plan was to bar hop, so let's start here.
Vou cá fazer selfie, eh?
Vou que fazer
Não, vou cá gostar. Ok.
She's my muse and I'm her artist. And we didn't take long to meet a friend we knew from back home.
Olha, quem é que tá ali que nos encontra? Olha, vamos fazer vídeo. Olha, quem tá ali, quem é?
Shailey.
Yaz aqui nos olha, Shailey. Ok.
We had a quick bite and went to Galopin for, well, you know.
I got the fattest ass in Queens, bitch. And we really getting money. What's up? Robando corazón y todo el dinero. Me gustan los bandos.
The girls tried to dance, but Galopin was dancing on his own. It was swaying so much they could barely stand up. We had a few drinks and Charlie wanted to take us out to the club. How could we refuse? This is Santa Maria. We closed the place, walked to the pier at dawn. This time my dinghy was there.
Me and Wendy just went out. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. We're going back to the boat. Make some food. That was fun.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I'm sorry for what I have put you through. Still have you on.
The rolling did not subside. It actually got worse, but our neighbor there yelled at us to look out over the ocean. And there were whales playing out there. A first for Wendy.
You can say what you want, but I know you heard at night.
With all that rocking and rolling, Wendy is solid, taking care of Galopin. She's fitting in to the life at sea.
And I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. 'Cause I'm not feeling.
There was just one problem with my dinghy. Someone had forced my throttle and busted a cable. This was my quick solution to get back aboard.
You better, yeah, yeah. La 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 la, love you better. Oh, la 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 la, love you better.
Santa Maria was fun, man, but it's time to go back. Back to our little fishing village with a view of the fuel tanks. People are nice and humble there. And I have to leave Galopin alone for a few days.
Well, we're back in Palmera. It was a little too rolly over there in Santa Maria. And plus, people kept using my dinghy. Man, one time I had to dive in the water in the middle of the night to get my dinghy from some fisherman who used it to get to his fishing boat. I tried to pull in the fishing boat with another guy where my dinghy was tied up to, and as I get closer, I jump on the fishing boat. My dinghy unties and starts floating away. I had to swim and friggin' get it. It was like 2 o'clock in the morning. Plus, I had a few drinks. Well, that certainly sobered me up. And then I had to row all the way back to my boat because I'd ran out of gas. Well, I thought I'd ran out of gas because my carburetor and everything. And since people were going on and on to my dinghy, they broke my throttle cable. I was all messed up. Anyways, I managed to get back to pick up Wendy because she was having a hamburger with a couple friends of hers and stuff. We ended up staying out again all night, but it was a real pain in the ass to get back to Galopin because every time somebody grabs my dinghy, it was like... Anyways, I'm going to Lisbon this weekend to do a job with some Canadian friends to inspect the boat, and I've ordered a new carburetor and a new throttle cable for my little Yamaha 2-stroke 5 horsepower, so I don't have any more of these problems. And we're here back in Palmera. It's cool. And while I'm away this weekend, Wendy's gonna hang out at this little hotel that I found for her until I get back on Sunday. So I'm away for 3 nights. She can hang out for 3 nights. Anyways, that's another story. You'll see what's going on. Now here I am in Lisbon. At the airport, I'll tell you one thing, man. Traveling by plane is not like traveling by boat. Man, what a hassle. I miss my Galopin. I'll be back soon. Herded like cattle. That plane. Couldn't sleep well. All of a sudden I had a coughing fit. I was so embarrassed. Everybody was like, who's that fucking asshole coughing. Jeez. All right. Thank goodness we're here. Gonna meet the buds. Check out this boat. All right. Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Voyage, a real living adventure series. It's not fake, baby.